Photobucket is a registered trademark of Fox Interactive Media Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Fox Interactive Media Incorporated. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to create a new album at Photobucket.com. What an album is it's just a way to organize your photos and videos. It's just like a folder on your desktop, but they just call them albums at Photobucket. Over here on the left, it's going to say my username. This is my main directory, and below that I've got an album called Birthday. If you want to create a new album, all you have to do is click in this box right here underneath where it says add a new album. I'm going to create a new one called Cats, where I'm going to save all of my cat photos, and then if you just click the save button, it's going to create that album and take you to it. And right now this album is empty. If I go back to, I'm going to click on it says back to, it's going to say your username. I'm going to click there, and it's going to take me back to my main directory. To move a photo to your new album, all you have to do is click on the Move tab above whichever photo it is you want to move. And it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this, and it's going to say Move To, and you're going to need to select the album you want to move it to. I'm going to select Cats and click on the Move button. And it's going to take me back to my main directory there, but when I click on my Cats album, it's going to show me that photo that I just moved there. And you can an album can hold as many photos as you want there, but I'm going to go back to my main album. And if you want to edit a album, all you have to do is click on Edit beside your screen name there, and it's going to show you your albums here. And from here you can choose to make it private, or you can rename it or delete it. But if you want to delete an album, you have to make sure that there's nothing in it. So that's how you create an album at Photobucket.com.